Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're gonna take a look at how to change password on TikTok. Now if you think that this video is helpful, then make sure you keep watching this video till the end, and let's get started. Open up your app of TikTok. From the home page, tap on your profile icon on the bottom and tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen and tap on settings and privacy. Now under accounts, you'll see a few options. You'll need to tap on account and again tap on a password. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to your mobile number. You'll need to enter that code in order to create a new password. Now after that, you'll have a section to create a new password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, which should include one letter, one number and one special character. After you created your password, you can tap on this eye icon to reveal your password, and after you're done, you can tap on next. And just like that, your password of TikTok has been changed. Now the next time you type in your password, make sure you enter in the new one instead of the old one. If you guys found this video to be helpful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel while you're at it. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.